Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, you're looking at video from Worcester, Massachusetts. They are cleaning up after they got pounded with about 13 inches of snow. And remember, especially in areas to our north, the storm didn't really stop yesterday. It kept going. Some more snow on the way last night through early this morning, and you're left with a big cleanup effort. Now, here is the amazing part of the storm which just came through. I just mentioned the 13 inches of snow in Worcester, Massachusetts. Guess how much snow we reported from TF Green Airport, where our local records are kept? 2.2 inches of snow from TF Green. So you get the idea of just how widely these numbers can range, even over a few miles of distance. All right, so let's talk about this next snowmaker. We're talking about Saturday snow. Let's first talk about what we know. Well, it does look like the timing will bring the main event through tomorrow night. Now, we certainly could get some wet snow during tomorrow afternoon, but I'm talking about the bulk of accumulation coming down tomorrow night and through the wee hours of Sunday morning, probably until 1 or 2 a.m. So that's what we know. Here's what needs some fine-tuning. Of course, we really still have to fine-tune these accumulations. And there will be a snow cutoff location setting up somewhere where you're going to have a division between some people which may get 6, 7, 8 inches of snow and others which may get 1, 2, or 3. So we still have to work on exactly where that's going to be setting up. Right now it looks like it sets up just to the east of Providence, but that line could shift, and of course that shifting could make all the difference in the world with the forecast. Right now here is live Pinpoint Doppler 12. We had the lingering bands of snow coming through early this morning, but after that, not worried about any snow today. In fact, we'll be fine through the early hours of tomorrow morning as well. We can actually track that going hour by hour. I'm starting things off at 11 o'clock tonight. Now I'm going to fast forward into tomorrow afternoon. Notice right around 1 or 2 we get started with perhaps some rain showers. Now I'm still thinking most of the storm will be snow, but during the early afternoon, I wouldn't be surprised if we get some wet snowflakes mixing with some rain showers at the coast. Then as we head into the evening, that's when more of the area starts to see the precipitation. You can see Providence and most of the area getting involved. And even though you're seeing a lot of green here, you can think of this green as more likely wet snow that has trouble sticking. But then here's when it starts to stick. After 6 o'clock through the 10 p.m. hour, really coming down, especially here from New Bedford and points east, even Little Compton, Newport could see some pretty dangerous conditions at this point. But notice the cutoff here, much lighter blue showing up to the west of Providence. Travel, while slow, maybe not so bad here. But again, it's this line that we need to work on here over the next few hours as more data comes in to really pinpoint exactly where that snow cutoff line will set up. Then by 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we push the heavy snow out of here, and we're left with perhaps some slick roads, snow-covered roads in eastern Massachusetts, but the bulk of the snow will be over with. Here's our situation right now. We have this nice spin in the atmosphere that is sending in some pretty gusty winds, hence the wind advisory in effect. Here is a fast forward to tomorrow, and one of the reasons we'll see primarily snow is we'll be on the back side of the center of low pressure, and that generally is the colder side of the storm. Taking a look now at our temperatures, or at our final accumulations, 3 to 6 inches right now for most of us. I'm painting 1 to 3 in extreme northwestern Rhode Island. Some new information coming in that suggests maybe I should shift this a little further up to the north and west, where pretty much everybody sees 3 to 6. And then we're watching this cutoff here very closely from Newport, Little Compton, and points east out towards Cape Cod. Could be portions of the Cape which get closer to 9 or 10 inches once you get out towards the Cape Cod Canal. So again, we need to work on these two lines right here. They could go this way, they could go that way. Again, please stay tuned and do not let this be the last forecast that you see. For this afternoon, temperatures mid to upper 30s, gusty winds. You can see some of those gusts. Could be 30, 40, even 50 miles an hour out there towards eastern Massachusetts. Low to mid 30s there in northern Rhode Island. And here in eastern Massachusetts, we are looking at upper 30s, partly sunny skies and windy conditions. So Sunday we get a break, Monday a break, but it's cold. And then Tuesday, I did not have a tremendous amount of time to forecast on that Tuesday system, I'll be honest, but right now it looks like that could be, you know, a 3 to 4 incher, but a little too early to really get to the details on that. It is just one after the other, and trust me, we are getting tired of it too. WPRI.com, the place to download apps for your iPhone and your Android phone. Definitely keeping us busy around here.
All right, thank you, Pete. Here's a look at what we're working on for